Gaming on the go can be a lot of fun with the right tablet, or even a headache with the wrong one. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best gaming tablets so that you'll never have to suffer through slow and laggy gameplay again. Now the issue is that a tablet might work great for one person, but it might not be the best for you, and that's just because most tablets are not made with the same people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'm going to have the perfect gaming tablet for you. All the links to find the best prices on all of the tablets mentioned in this video are going to be in the description below. The tablets mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so please be sure to stay tuned to the end because you're not going to want to miss anything. First up, I have the ASUS ROG Flow Z13. Now this is my choice for the best overall gaming tablet. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 excels as a gaming tablet with its powerful Intel processor, 16GB of RAM, Snapdragon Elite gaming features, Nebula display, ROG intelligent cooling system, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. The ROG Flow Z13 is powered by an Intel Core i9 processor and 16GB of RAM. That ensures that all your games are responsive and smooth, regardless of how graphics intensive they are. And with Snapdragon Elite gaming features, the Flow Z13 is able to deliver lag-free gameplay and lightning-fast response times. The Flow Z13 has a Nebula display that provides QHD resolution and a fast 165Hz refresh rate for all your gaming needs. And with 100% DCI-P3, the Flow Z13 delivers your content with stunning visuals and vibrant colors. The Flow Z13 also has a powerful ROG intelligent cooling system. With liquid metal on the CPU and a custom vapor chamber module, the Z13 ensures that the tablet never runs too hot no matter the kind of game it runs. And with its Bluetooth 5.2 technology, the Z13 ensures low latency online gaming wherever you are. Plus, with its USB-C port and micro HDMI ports, the Z13 provides an array of options for your peripherals and external displays. So you can play your games your way. And not to mention, it has 1TB of storage, making sure you have a vast gaming library ready whenever you are. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 stands out with its Bluetooth 5.2 technology, 1TB of storage, Nebula display, 165Hz refresh rate, ROG intelligent cooling system, and a snappy performance through its Intel processor. The ROG Flow Z13 is the ideal gaming tablet for those who are wanting a tablet that provides a powerful and responsive performance for all of their favorite games. Next up, I have the Microsoft Surface Pro 9. This is my choice for the best Windows gaming tablet. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is an incredible Windows gaming tablet that stands out with its snappy deca-core Intel processor, 16GB of memory, 13-inch LCD display, 15 hours of battery life, and an adaptable 2-in-1 design. The Surface Pro 9 delivers a powerful punch with its Intel Core i7 processor with 10 cores and Intel Iris Xe graphics. And with its 16GB of memory, the Pro 9 provides a smooth and lag-free experience for all kinds of graphics-intensive games. The Surface Pro 9 boasts a stunning 13-inch LCD display with a crisp 2880 by 1920 resolution, ensuring sharp visuals for your games and apps. Plus, it has a fantastic battery life that lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge, making sure that you can game for long periods of time without having to be worried about charging it or dying during a match. And with its 2-in-1 design, the Pro 9 adapts to your gaming style. Its detachable keyboard and kickstand let you effortlessly switch between a powerful laptop and a comfortable tablet for gaming on the go, whenever and wherever you choose. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 features a 2-in-1 design, 13-inch LCD display, 15 hours of battery life, powerful Intel processor, and 16GB of memory. If you're looking for a Windows tablet that provides a smooth and responsive performance for your gaming needs, the Pro 9 might be the best choice for you. Next up, I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. This is my choice for the best gaming tablet for most people. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus impresses as a gaming tablet with its powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, dynamic AM OLED display, armor aluminum frame, and IP68 water-resistant build. The Tab S9 is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. Put those two together, and the S9 Plus delivers lightning-fast performance and responsive gameplay. The included S Pen also transforms the S9 Plus into a precision gaming tool, while its Wi-Fi 6E connectivity ensures a lag-free online experience. With its stunning dynamic AM OLED display, the S9 Plus allows you to immerse yourself in vibrant gaming worlds. Crisp 2560 by 1600 resolution delivers sharp details, vivid colors, and deep blacks, making every game come alive. The Tab S9 Plus stands strong with its armor aluminum frame, tackling life's bumps with ease. Its IP68 water and dust-resistant rating provides peace of mind against splashes and unexpected weather. This is great for those who are wanting a powerful gaming laptop that can handle their adventures without breaking easily. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 combines an armor aluminum frame, IP68 water-resistant build, dynamic AM OLED display, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and an impressive performance through its Snapdragon processor. The S9 Plus is a great pick for those who are wanting a high-end gaming tablet that blends high-quality performance with a reasonable price. And keep in mind that if you are interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, make sure to check out the links posted below. Prices update on these tablets almost daily with sales and other general price drops. So if you do want to find the most updated information, check the description. And if you find the video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and also subscribing. Next, I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. This is my choice for the best gaming tablet for the money. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus stands out as an excellent, affordable gaming tablet with its snappy Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 11-inch display, WUXGA resolution, long-lasting battery, and built-in Dolby Atmos speakers. The Tab A9 Plus offers surprisingly snappy performance for its price. You can switch between apps, play games, and tackle your to-do list without any interruptions thanks to its speedy Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM. The Tab A9 Plus has a 11-inch display that has a sharp WUXGA resolution, ensuring that your content pops with incredible detail. And whether you're playing games, watching movies, or browsing, the A9 Plus easily brings you into your content so that you never feel like you're missing a beat. The Tab A9 Plus is a great gaming marathon companion despite its affordable price. Its long-lasting 7040 mAh battery lets you enjoy movies, games, and videos without running out of power too quickly. Plus, it has immersive spatial sound through its Dolby Atmos speakers, allowing you to really immerse yourself completely into your content. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus offers a long-lasting 7040 mAh battery, an 11-inch display, WUXGA resolution, and an impressive quick performance thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. And if you're looking for a great gaming tablet that blends affordability with an impressive performance, the Tab A9 Plus might be the right fit for your gaming needs. Next up, I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is another fantastic gaming tablet that boasts a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Super AM OLED display, DX mode, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and customization through the gaming hub. The Tab S8 Plus delivers a smooth, powerful gaming experience thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. The S8 Plus provides a smooth and lag-free gameplay experience that never quits, no matter how intense the gameplay gets. The Tab S8 Plus has a beautiful 12.4-inch Super AM OLED display, providing vibrant colors and deep blacks for all of your games. With a 120Hz refresh rate and a 2800 by 1752 resolution, the S8 Plus ensures that every gaming session is lag-free and smooth. Plus, it has a DX mode which allows it to be transformed into a desktop-like experience and allows you to attach a mouse or keyboard for your gaming sessions. Just like the S9 Plus, the S8 Plus has Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, providing that low-latency online gaming regardless of where you are. And with the Gaming Hub, the S8 Plus lets you tweak the settings, record gameplay, and manage all of your games in one simple place. It's really a great addition for a tablet to have that really puts the needs of gamers first. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus impresses with its Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, Gaming Hub customization, Super AM OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. The S8 Plus is a great option for those who are wanting a well-rounded gaming tablet that can handle both their gaming needs and on-the-go lifestyle with ease. And if you guys liked this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the tablets mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.